Welcome back to Tutorial Art for Kids.
Real meaning of Christmas is all about?
How to meet Jesus when he gets born.
Yeah, it's to celebrate his birthday, huh? Do we celebrate your birthday, Hats? Yeah, we do. What do we do when we have your birthday? Do we give you something? What do we give you? Lots of
Toys.
toys and presents, huh? What do we give you, Checkers?
The same thing.
We give you a bunch of presents too. Well, why do we give presents to each other on Christmas?
Because we're going to share.
Yeah, it's something that Heavenly Father and Jesus would want us to do, huh? Be nice to others. But when we give presents to each other, it's kind of like we give presents to baby Jesus.
Yeah.
Is that cool? Should we learn how to draw him?
Yeah.
All right, let's learn. You ready? You got your markers? You got it? You ready, Hats? Ready, Checkers? Okay, first thing we're gonna do his little nose, his little cute nose, okay? So in the middle of the paper, do a U shape like that. Right in the middle of the paper. Yeah, that's a good spot, Hats. Good job, Checkers. Good job, Hats. Okay, now we're gonna do his body. And we're just gonna do an oval shape that starts on one side of the nose and it ends on the other side of his nose.
I can't.
You can do that. Let's see you. Good job. So when baby Jesus was born, he was wrapped in swaddling clothes. Do you know what swaddling clothes are? It just means that he was wrapped up really tight. You know when baby Austin was brand new, what did we used to do to him? We put a blanket around him really tight. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna draw contour lines that look like he's wrapped up. You see that, Hats? He's wrapped up, nice and tight. Can you do lines like that? Yeah, kind of like Mummy. Good job, Hats. That's perfect. Look, you're doing it all by yourself. One more. Good. Okay, now let's do baby Jesus's head. And it's going to be a circle, but not a complete circle, okay? We're going to go all the way around like that. There's his head. Good job, Hats. Whoa! Good job. Okay, now we're going to do his little eyes. Two little eyes, just like that. C's. You can do a C shape on each side of his head. And that's your C, yeah. Okay. When he was born, where was he born? Oh, almost.
A manger.
Where was he born? He was born in a manger, and he was placed in a. Yeah. What? Yes, he was born in a manger. You know what a manger is? He was placed in some hay. And that's what animals eat out of. So we just do some zigzag lines like this. Good job, Checkers. Good job, Hats. That's a lot of hay. Oh, that's a lot of hay. I like it. He's nice and cozy in the hay. Okay, now we're going to do the wood part, okay? So watch me. It's going to be a square, okay? Or a rectangle, actually. Like that. And so it looks like he's laying in a manger. You can, okay, let me help you. We'll do a line that comes out like this, and then a box comes down. And we'll just go like that. Is that good? Okay, good. Okay, now let's do some lines so it looks like wood. So we're just going to do some lines that go straight across, like that. Can you do that? Put the line straight across down there. Good job. Yep, and then you can stop because then that's the part he's sitting or laying in. Good job, Hats. Perfect. Do one more right there. Okay, now this part's going to be a little tricky. These are going to be the legs of the manger, okay? So, good job. One line down like that. Okay? Can you do that? Okay. And then do another one. Like that. And then put an end on it. Yep. And then I'm going to put one more line right next to it like that. So it looks like a piece of wood. Good job. Okay, now let's draw the other leg, and it's going to be crossed. It's going to come down like this. Good job. That's okay, Checkers. Good job, Heads. Okay, and then another line over here. Like that. Yep, and then a line. Good job, Heads. And then a line like this. There we go. You're alright, you kind of did it. There you go, Checkers. Good. And then let's put a dot right there for the name. There, you did it. There's one other thing we could do. We could put a little halo on him. What does a halo mean? It means that he's somebody very special. So we could do that just by doing like a little rainbow shape like this over his head. Oh, I drew it kind of lopsided. That's okay. Draw a little rainbow line that goes over his head.
There.
Yeah. Good job, Hats. Perfect. And if we wanted to, we could even do a little more. We could do some kind of like a sunburst. Like that.
Like in like
Yeah.
or like the ocean, like wave.
Yeah, kind of like waves, yeah. Good job, look at that! You drew baby Jesus. So, when we are celebrating Christmas this year, can you guys especially try to remember Jesus and what he did for us? Can you do that?
Okay.
All right.